Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to explain some particular type of questions based on a single pattern of limit problems in calculus topic. Okay, so basically when a limit question is given in your exam and you have to solve that question, then you need to directly put the limit value into that question. Okay, and if that questions results into 1 raised to the power infinity, then you can use my this pattern approach in those kind of questions. Okay, so my approach is basically easy and simple. When after putting the direct value which given us in limit form, and the value is 1 raised to the power infinity, then you don't need to calculate left hand limit and right hand limit. Okay, so you can directly find the limiting value without calculating these. Okay, so my approach is like this. So your inner function must be 1 and your power function, which is represented here using gx function, is must be infinity. So you can use this approach. Basically question is given like this: limit x tends to a fx power gx. The answer is e power l. Okay, and basically l is our answer for this question is e raised to the power l, and l is limit x tends to a f of x minus 1 into gx. Okay, so in your question limit x tends to a is given and our answer is e raised to the power l. We need to calculate only l for these type of questions. Okay, and in l basically limit comes as it is and you have to subtract 1 from your inner function. Basically inner function is fx. Just subtract 1 from the inner function and multiply this function with the function which is given in the power. Okay, let see some example. So this is our given question for which we have to calculate the limiting value. So first, how we can observe is this question is similar to this pattern. First you have to directly put the value of x. Directly put value and you can clearly see the pattern. Okay, so when I put the value into this, so 0 and 1 is 1 upon 0, 1 plus 0 0, and 1 upon 0, sorry, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 by 0 is infinity. So our question is also similar to our above pattern. Okay, so we don't need to calculate LHL and we don't need to calculate RHL. In this question we can directly calculate the limiting value. How we can easily find this limiting value I will explain you. Okay, so limit x tends to a 1 plus x 1 by x. Our answer basically is e raised to the power l. We just need to calculate this l. Okay, when we find l, our answer is ready. Okay, so how we calculate L? Basically, for calculating L, just observe this. Okay, put the limit as same as given in the question. So basically our limit is 0, here also 0, and put the function as it is. Basically compare this with the above function. Suppose this is our limit x tends to a, this is our fx, and this is our gx. Compare this. So I will write the formula again so that it is clearly visible to you. Now use the limiting value. Here a value is 0 and fx is 1 plus x, gx is 1 by x. Okay, just put the value. I will write here so that it is clear to you. Fx 1 plus x and just minus 1, and gx value is 1 by x. You can also compare the gx value from here also, and gx value is 1 by x. L equals to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 1 cancel out each other, 1 by x. You can use any kind of brackets here, and this will cancel out each other, and the answer is 1. And remember this, our question answer is not 1, but 1 is our L value. Okay, our variable L value is 1, but our question answer is e raised to the power L. Okay, and L is 1, so our answer is e raised to the power 1. I hope this will help you, and please like and subscribe my channel